Hi Blanca babies! So here I am today. I'm talking about Lumi Eyes. Lumi Eyes is a polynucleotide under eye treatment and has been gaining popularity in UK, United Kingdom. It is administered with advanced injectable apparatus. Lumi Eyes can help to treat under-eye bags or even call it eye tear. The treatment depends largely on skin condition and age or even lifestyle. The Lumi Eyes encourages the production of collagen and elastin synthesis. It can typically last up to 6 to 12 months. It requires a series of 3 treatments, approximately 4 weeks apart to see the improvement. So what are you waiting for, Blanca babies? Visit Blanca baby! So, can you say bye to dark eye bag circles?